Hello everyone. Today I am going to speak about how to respect all the religions. Respecting all the religions while remaining loyal to your own faith is a balance that many people strive to achieve. Here are some principles to help you respect all religions while maintaining your loyalty to your own faith. Educate yourself. Take the time to learn about different religions, their beliefs, practices, and histories. This will help you to better understand and appreciate the diversity of beliefs in the world. Practice tolerance. Embrace the idea that people have the right to their own beliefs even if they differ from yours. Avoid judgment and criticism of the other faiths. Engage in interfaith dialogue. Engage in respectful conversations with the individuals from different religious backgrounds. Ask questions and seek to understand their perspectives without trying to convert them. Find the common ground. Look for the shared values and principles among different religions. Many faiths promote similar virtues like love, compassion, and kindness. Focusing on these commonalities can foster respect. Respect places of worship. If you visit places of worship from different religions, do so with reverence and respect. Follow their customs and rules such as removing your shoes or covering your head if required. Promote religious freedom. Advocate for religious freedom and tolerance in your community and society. Support policies and initiatives that protect the rights of individuals to practice their faith freely. Be mindful of cultural sensitivities. Be aware of cultural and religious sensitivities, especially when you are interacting with people from diverse backgrounds. Avoid actions or statements that could be offensive or disrespectful. Maintain your faith. While respecting other religions, continue to practice and deepen your own faith. This doesn't mean isolating yourself, but rather strengthening your beliefs through studies, prayer, and participation in your religious community. Lead by example. Demonstrate through your actions and behavior how one can be devout in their own faith while respecting others. Be a role model for tolerance and understanding. Avoid religious comparisons. Refrain from comparing religions or making value judgments about which is better or worse. Each religion has its own unique beliefs and history, and it's not productive to rank them. Remember that respecting other religions doesn't diminish your loyalty to your own. In fact, it can enrich your understanding of your faith and promote harmony and unity among people of different beliefs. Respecting other religions and promoting harmony in the society is crucial. So educate yourself. Learn about different religions, their beliefs, practices, and histories to gain a better understanding. Avoid stereotypes. Avoid making assumptions or generalizations about people based on their religion. Show tolerance, accept the people have diverse beliefs and respect their right to practice their religion. Foster open conversations to lead from one another and build bridges of understanding. Be inclusive, encourage diverse religious perspectives in your own community and workplace. Avoid offensive language. Be mindful of what you say and avoid derogatory or disrespectful remarks about any religion. Celebrate the diversity. Attend multicultural events, festivals, and religious celebrations to show support and appreciation. Support freedom of religion. Advocate for the freedom to practice one's religion without discrimination. Promote unity. Focus on common values and goals that can bring people from different religions together. Respecting other religions can foster a more inclusive and harmonious society where people of all beliefs can coexist peacefully. If you feel the content was knowledgeable, then please Please like, share, and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.